ready to elevate your design presentations and create stunning notebook mockups in Adobe Illustrator. Let's open Adobe Illustrator and begin with a blank canvas. We'll use the rectangle tool, found in the toolbar on the left. To draw the notebook's cover, click, drag, and make a rectangle, adjusting the size to your desired notebook dimensions. Now, select a color for your notebook cover using the Fill tool, also located in the toolbar. Experiment with different colors or gradients to find the perfect look. We are aiming for a realistic look, so choose a cover color with care. Next, let's make the appearance of the notebook's pages. Duplicate the cover rectangle by selecting it, and then copy and paste in place, so they are stacked. Change the fill color to a lighter shade, like white or a very light off-white, to represent the pages. Then slightly decrease its size so that it will act as pages. Also, duplicate it a few times to give an appearance of a thick page set. To give the notebook depth, we will use drop shadow to make it stand out, which will make it pop off the screen much better. Select all your notebook objects and go to the Effect menu, then select Stylize, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings of the drop shadow opacity, offset, blur to control the shadowing and make it look real. Then we will create a spine that will attach the cover and pages. Drawing another rectangle, use the tools to select the color and make this shape aligned with the notebook. We have already got a notebook structure, and it looks professional. You can also customize this further by adding texture, a logo, or any design on the cover. Be creative. And there you have it. You've created a simple yet effective notebook mockup in Adobe Illustrator. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering these skills. Now, feel free to apply these steps to your various design concepts and projects. Good luck, and happy creating.